In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off magnet in TradingView mobile. Now there's actually two ways to do this. The first one is to tap on drawing which has the magnet applied. So for me, I have this line over here, which is a trend line. If I tap on it to select it, at the bottom you can see kind of a magnet icon, okay? And it's white currently. So what you want to do is simply tap on that, and there we go. It's going to basically turn off your magnet, okay? That's the first way to do it. However, if you have it enabled globally, you want to tap on the drawing button at the bottom, so it's going to be this specific pen icon. Tap on that, and then from there, whenever you tap on that pen icon, you can go to the left up top, so there's a bunch of menus, and you want to go into tools. Now your magnet could be enabled over here if it's white like this, and if you want to turn it off, you simply want to tap on where it says either weak magnet or strong magnet, and when you tap on it, it's going to get turned off, and that's all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.